Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about enhancing safety and reliability in maintenance. Let's jump right into it. In any industrial or operational environment, ensuring the safety and reliability of equipment is paramount. One effective method to achieve this is through failure-finding tasks, FFT. These tasks play a crucial role in identifying potential failures before they occur, ultimately minimizing downtime and enhancing operational efficiency. What is a failure-finding task? A failure-finding task involves systematic inspections and tests aimed at uncovering latent failures in equipment and systems. These tasks are part of a broader maintenance strategy, often referred to as reliability-centered maintenance, RCM. The primary objective of FFT is to identify and rectify issues that could lead to equipment failure, thereby maintaining operational integrity. Importance of failure-finding tasks. 1. Preventative maintenance. FFTs are integral to a preventative maintenance program. By identifying potential failures before they occur, organizations can schedule maintenance activities during non-peak hours, reducing operational disruptions. 2. Cost savings. Early detection of failures can significantly reduce repair costs and prevent expensive production losses. By addressing issues proactively, companies can avoid the high costs associated with emergency repairs and unplanned downtime. 3. Enhanced safety. FFTs contribute to a safer work environment. By identifying and mitigating potential hazards, organizations can protect their employees from accidents and injuries. 4. Compliance. Many industries are subject to regulatory requirements regarding equipment safety and reliability. Conducting regular FFTs helps ensure compliance with these regulations, reducing the risk of penalties. Implementing failure-finding tasks. 1. Identify critical equipment. Begin by identifying equipment that is critical to operations and could pose significant risks if it were to fail. This often includes machinery with a history of reliability issues. 2. Develop inspection procedures. Establish detailed inspection procedures tailored to the specific equipment. This may involve visual inspections, functional testing, and analysis of historical performance data. 3. Schedule regular FFTs. Integrate FFTs into the maintenance schedule. The frequency of these tasks will depend on the equipment's criticality, usage, and past performance. 4. Train maintenance personnel. Ensure that maintenance personnel are trained in FFT procedures and understand the importance of these tasks. Regular training can enhance their skills and awareness of potential failure indicators. 5. Document findings. Maintain comprehensive records of all FFTs, including findings, actions taken, and recommendations for future maintenance. This documentation is essential for continuous improvement and compliance. Conclusion. Failure-finding tasks are a vital component of effective maintenance strategies in any operational setting. By proactively identifying potential failures, organizations can improve safety, enhance reliability, and achieve significant cost savings. Implementing a robust FFT program not only ensures the longevity of equipment but also fosters a culture of safety and efficiency within the workplace. Investing in these tasks is an investment in the overall success and sustainability of the organization. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.